Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. In today's video, I want to discuss how to have a miraculous results by thinking big. जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने कहा है, सरल कार्य तो सभी करते हैं, हमें कठिन कार्य करना चाहिए. Now, thinking big, we will understand what is thinking and what is big. Thinking is a thought about certain thing which we perceive. We get about 70,000 thoughts per day, which are mix of positive, negative, average. And what is big? Big is something extraordinary, something larger than what an ordinary person will do. Now, for we chartered accountant, if I have 100 clients, thinking big will be that every month I grow by 100% or whatever growth rate I decide. If a chartered accountant is in employment, say at the manager level, thinking big will be to become a CFO, Chief Financial Officer, or to become a Chief Executive Officer. That person can also think to become an entrepreneur of having a factory larger than the enterprise where the person is working. So, how we think big? We think big. First, we are what we think we are. Now, myself, I always say that I am a global practitioner in a particular area. I don't use the word that I am a national practitioner or I am a practitioner only at Bombay or Maharashtra. With all humbleness, we should have that vision because we become what we think. James Allen has written a book, We Are What We Think. It's a very small book. Then second is, we should not give excuses that because of this has not happened. If we read autobiographies of great people, late Nani Palkiwala, eminent jurist, he was studying under a street tube light in Churchgate Station. Mahatma Gandhi, I have visited his home at Porbandar. In sunlight, he used to study. So make circumstances, the existing circumstances favorable to you to get big result rather than having excuses. Success do not require excuses. Failure requires excuses. Then kill fear. Thinking big happens by, having a fear, having a doubt. Then big thinkers, this is very important, how we think big. So we have masterminds. There's a book, Think and Grow Rich. 9th step to riches is, so mastermind is, if I want to have 240 hours in a day instead of 24 hours, I will have 9 other persons who will act like CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. And I am very fortunate that my team members are like that. And that is the reason I am able to produce one video every day, make one article every day. This is the question which members ask me. Then use big thinkers vocabulary. It's the best day of my life. It's a wonderful day. Then big thinkers always talk big about other people. So every person, they always motivate the other person. So our vocabulary should change. We acquire technical skills to become big. No, it is said that, late Indira Gandhi, she used to wake up at 3 a.m. In the aircraft also, she used to dictate replies to the letters. And I've seen many other industrialists. I'm fortunate to travel with some of them, and I have seen how every second available to them is utilized. So getting big results is very easy. The wonderful software which God has given to us is Mind. That app, that application, we only have to open. Like in some of my other videos, I have said, like our body grows as we grow in the age. Our hand grows, our leg grows, our brain also grows. But the softwares will not grow. Software God has given when we took the birth. They will grow when we make a use of these softwares. So from today, have our dictionary of least words and all positive words. If we are conscious of not using a negative words, in the very short time, you will see, maybe 1 week's time, because that is the time I consider to change any habit and a new habit becoming part of our blood, part of doing unnoticingly. So the thinking big happens by another ability which God has given us, the cognitive thinking facility. And what is this? Cognitive thinking is a mental process of gaining knowledge and comprehension. Now, there are 6 mental assets, mental abilities which God has given us. Perception, like we perceive anything. The memory, we have unlimited memory. I have created another YouTube video on unlimited memory. Please do see that. Then we have a will. We can make a will as long, as big as we want. Like I have a will to be a president of a great country, India. Imagination, region, and last 6th is a intuition. So by using these mental assets given to us by the Almighty, having a big vision. So we create, our own story. We have a vision. We create a vision board and have a look at that vision morning, afternoon, evening, as and when we get a time. Have a written goal, the burning desire. And friends, believe me, we can change our destiny. We can change our forecast, whatever, the forecasters may be saying about us. So I would request each viewer to think big and get very big results. Some question which is raised to me is, I'll create a separate video. What is the future of chartered accountancy profession? When we look at only our country's population, 130 crores. And we have enterprises which are, 6 crore, 50 lakhs, all micro, small, medium, and large enterprises. We are 3 lakhs chartered accountant. Now, even if we are 3 lakhs chartered accountant, this 6.5 crore is a very big size for each one of us. So like my big thinking is that every chartered accountant can bring a miraculous result. Every chartered accountant student must pass the CA exam. The country India should become number one in the world and should feed other countries in terms of the thinking process. If we see, the World Economic Forum is created by one single economist, and all countries, Prime Minister, Finance Minister, they take part in that World Economic Forum annual session, because the kind of thinking, the kind of the vision which get created about the economy, everyone want to experience that and then implement in their own country. So I would end this video by wishing each viewer that we have to think big and we can get a big results. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because every day I create one video on the request of members. And do tell others about this YouTube channel. Do let me know the topics on which you feel that there should be a video. Thank you. Have a great day.